Sometimes they break the Guru Vastakam down and say that the first 4 verses apply to Madhyam, Adhikari, Guru. And the last 4 verses, they describe the Bhava Bhakta or Prema Bhakta. Because in level of Bhava, one realizes his Sarup, especially the higher level of Bhava. Level of Prema, he's actually engaged in Ratikeli Seva. In his internal body, Antas Chintadeya. So the prayer is Guru Vastakam, so all gurus are on different levels. But it's accepted that way, that the first 4 verses can apply even to a Madhyam Adhikari. He can be experiencing some dim reflection of Sattvic Bhavs, Romanchakampa, Ashu, and he may experience and of course not exhibit them. That's his prerogative. Some crying, some tears, melting of the heart. This happens even at Ruchi. Level of Ruchi, there's melting of the heart. There's some softening of the heart, maybe some tears, some trembling, some hair standing on end. This is all that's told, 3. There's 8 Sattvic Bhavs, only 3 are mentioned there. Romanchakampa, Ashruta, Rangabhaja. Sri Vigrahara Dana, he's doing deity worship, Sri Vigrahara Dana Nityananda Shringara Dana Mandiravan. Yuktasibhak, he's engaging others in deity worship. Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nitya-gita Vaditramadyan Romanchakampa. So when he's chanting Kirtan or holy name, maybe privately, he doesn't want to show, but he may himself experience, even a Madhyam Adhikari at the level of Ruchi. But Nikanju Ratikeli Sridai. Then you have to see that, okay, I have my Madhyam Guru, and he is going in that direction. But he's here, he's on verse 4, but he's going to verse 5. Otherwise, it's all dynamic. It's all dynamic and ecstatic. It's not static and boring, or whatever the opposite of ecstatic is. It's dynamic, not static, and it's ecstatic, not dull. Let's say here, unchanging. Guru is also advancing. Even Krishna is telling, I don't understand Radharani. Radharani says, Prem Guru. Radhika Prem Guru Ami Shishya Nat. He said, I am dancing as to my Prem Guru, Radharani. And so even Krishna, he's looking at Radharani and she changes from moment to moment. This is a symptom of anurag, that the Radharani he sees now is a different Radharani 5 minutes later. To such an extent that sometimes under the influence of anurag, Prem, Radharani doesn't even recognize Krishna. And the gopis say, see that boy standing on the hill? And Radharani says, oh, he's very beautiful. Who is he? What do you mean who he was? Who is he? You were just 2 hours ago, you were in a cave for 3 hours with him in Govardhan. You were in a cave during it was raining, and then it stopped raining and he came out, you met us here, and now we're going back to Yavat, and then now he's watching you. Oh, I've never seen him before. What is his name? And then Lita Saki says, what are you talking about? You don't know his name. That's Shamsundar, Krishna, Damodar. Shamsundar? Who is this Shamsundar? That's a very beautiful name. I never heard before. Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila, everything seems totally fresh, new, mystifying, ever attractive, all attractive and ever attractive, and always attractive, and ever newly attractive. This is Krishna and Radha. So the same thing is there. In spiritual life, it's always new, it's always dynamic, it's always increasing, it's always improving. Vardhan.